Welcome back. So now let's discuss about emotional intelligence. So what are emotional intelligence skills? What are the benefits? It is ability to use and imagine your own emotions in positive way. So emotional intelligence is ability to manage your own emotions in a positive way, to reveal stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, so overcome the challenges, diffuse conflict. Like the emotional intelligent people are always successful. So they are the most successful people. So they resolve problems, they find solutions, they don't create conflicts. Emotional intelligence is commonly defined in four attributes. It is self-management, self-awareness. You know your strengths and in weaknesses and confidence, social awareness of your empathy, and relationship management. So these are very important. Like self-management, you can control impulsive feelings and behaviors, manage your emotions in a healthy way, take initiatives, follow through on commitments, and adopt to changing circumstances. So this is one. These are five attributes of emotional intelligence. Like then, emotional intelligence involves major skills like ability to perceive emotion, ability to reason with emotion. Like one is that is like using creativity, also analytical mind. So receiving with emotions, like reasoning with emotions, ability to reason with emotions, ability to understand emotions, understanding the other person's emotion, his feeling, his gestures, everything. Ability to manage emotions. So these are very important skills. It is like these are super. These are golden nuggets. If you guys apply this knowledge, you will be superhuman being. So five key emotional intelligence skills are like self-awareness, self-regulation, social skills, empathy, and motivation. So then there are habits of emotional intelligent people. Like emotional intelligent people always pay attention what they are feeling. They understand how others are feeling. They also are able to regulate their emotions. It's like regulating, changing. They also are motivated. They emotional intelligent people, they have great social skills. They are willing to able to discuss feelings with others. They are also able to correctly identify underlying causes of their emotions and other people's emotions. So these are highly, like they are intelligent. Habit of emotional intelligent people, they are very intelligent because they understand emotion, feelings, and other things. The benefits are it allows you to for a better team worker, you can deal with changes, you can handle those tough conversations. You will also be able to like essential people, like it is an essential people skill. So it is a key feature of a strong leader. Like if you are emotionally strong, you will be able to manage any depression, any negativity, any criticism. And this is also like self-awareness. You will be self when you are emotionally intelligent. You have self-awareness, emotional regulation, empathy, social skills. So when you practice meditation deeply, morning, evening, you are focused on your goal. What are your self-awareness, consciousness? That's what we have in gold level and diamond level and quantum level. We teach these things practically. So there, and once you have these habits, you will achieve anything in life, and from 1x to 10x. And in next section we'll learn about the language skills and strategies, how you can learn any language with simplicity and with 360-degree model understanding things. Thank you so much. We'll go to the next video. Thanks.